Today, I'm here with my sister.
It's me, I'm sister.
Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be opening these. Let's do it. Oh my god, that looks just like a costume.
What the
freak?
But look, there's a Minnesota.
Okay, I know, we're getting ahead of ourselves. We're excited. I know, we're all excited. So we're gonna need to put these things into piles of like Goodwill, keep for ourselves, and bring to someone that we know would love it. Death of the Black Widow. Do you want to read that black part out loud?
What did I know? Okay.
Meat egg drop soup mix.
Cool.
It expires on my birthday next year.
Your 30th.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Marine boat accessory replacement parts.
Oh, for our boat.
Yeah. Huzzah.
7, 8.
I mean,
And that's.
are you sure that's not a 6, 7?
I have. I knew you were gonna say that. Yeah, it looks like a blanket for kids.
Yeah. Would your cat like it? Defending individuals' rights against progressive reform.
Oh dear.
So we have prostate health. John.
What is this?
So there's like a razor.
Oh, it's a face shaver.
But what is, there's other things in here. Okay, hold on. Whoa!
It's Mary.
Is that a pill holder?
It's Virgin Mary.
Is that a pill holder?
I don't know.
It's silver. So this is Mother Mary, but inside of it, oh, there's a rosary, D.
Oh, it's a rosary? Oh, it's pearls.
It's pearls. It's a pearl rosary.
Jeez,
I feel like everyone we know is already. Oh my god. There's a little mirror in that there too. That's kind of cute. I thought this was like a pill saver, but then this looks
It
like
could be. You
First
could make
Communion.
it that.
First Communion, little bracelet stuff. Okay, so let's put this in the let's ask people we know
Ask
pile.
people first. 'Cause
Yeah. This is a glam case that has really cool scribbles on it, but I think that it's for maybe a Google Pixel or something like that. Where I don't think anyone that I know in this vicinity has one, so this one might be a donation.
Ooh, this one, I already know this one's gold because it says gold.
Oh, I didn't even read mine. It doesn't say.
You're my lucky star. That's what it says.
Mine doesn't say jack shit.
Ooh.
Oh, that is so up your alley! But in my niche in aesthetic, so I'm excited. Okay, we have to show them this.
Oh shit.
Dude, I have like all this shit in silver, bro. Okay, I'm gonna show them. So my sister's a gold girl. I'm a silver girl.
Good.
So this is one of them. I literally have like these, but in silver.
I have
so.
something like those.
And then the second one is like a kind of a flat back where you can do for like more cartilage piercings and stuff like that. And then this one is just kind of a variety. Oh, there's like oh, looks like it might just be like a drop one. And then there's like sparkly ones. But what I'm really excited for her is these ones. Cause do you guys see my my seconds right now? Do they not look similar? Oh
the
gosh.
exact same thing in gold.
Like, it's kind of that shape, right? I love the aesthetics. The aesthetics are so cute. Lucky for D, they're in gold, so now she can match my aesthetic! Yeah, I don't know if you'd want to wear these in the pool or
I'm
something
not
like
like
that.
swimming every.
Do you want to keep this thingy or no? It doesn't say anything on it. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's so exciting.
Oh, baby, are you playing with your...
You're gonna play with that right there.
Pardon any noises. I'm not going to stop my dog from playing, though. Happy retirement ornament.
Well, we can save that for.
Yeah, no.
Mom, look away.
A happy retirement ornament, but it is very feminine. Our dad is retired now, but our mom, you know, I mean, she's halfway there. She's been going for a time now, huh? This is gonna be for a people we know because the amount of retirement parties we've gone to lately, I swear. So there's a facial scraper or an eyebrow scraper or whatever you want. There's this thing. Oh, this looks like an eyebrow stamper. Or like you put the
for
thing
people
in.
to
Like you put the. It looks like a stencil, but then
maybe that's the eyebrow pencil.
eyebrow. It just says eyebrow. Let's put this in the donation pile. Theme cube, more than a cube, made for endless fun and learning.
I want to learn. I want to learn. I want to learn.
Oh, turn the story, share the feeling, smooth rotation, durable design, bright colors, celebrate moments, treasures the design. I'm very interested. Is this literally just an American Rubik's Cube?
Is that the freaking presidential seal?
That's why I said 250th birthday.
Really?
Of what?
America.
Us?
It's a Rubik's Cube. It's an American themed Rubik's Cube.
Route 66. Yeah.
So I think we can maybe put this one in the donation pile.
But where does the learning part come in?
I don't know. That's why I feel misled.
What did I learn? I don't feel like
I learned that there was a Route 66.
You didn't know there was a Route 66? There's like a
No,
whole
of
last
course,
song
exactly.
about it.
Okay, we have another case and another
So many
case.
phone cases, my lord.
This
one
looks
might
like
be
a flip
iPhone.
cover.
This is iPhone. Dad might like this one, but he likes his orange right
Yeah, he really likes that. This one's a flip. Oh, okay. Open that one. Oh, it's MagSafe.
now. Nay.
Dad loves the
tiles.
MagSafe stuff. This one's an iPhone one. It's MagSafe. I'll ask my dad about it. This one, I don't know which one this is, but it's a flip cover. I'm forgetting, is it Google or Android or when they have a thing in the center?
I don't know.
I'm not sure, but it's a flip cover one. It looks like a cool quality. So this one's gonna be a donation for sure.
Get the checker.
So the checkered, oh, it's a balloon.
It's an 8 though. 8's so
It's your
random.
favorite number though.
It is.
We can put this in the donation.
Cool.
Graduation gift? Her, him, class
of
2025. There are a bunch of,
Yes.
okay, there's a 2025 charm, a silver charm. A graduation cap charm. And a behind you, all your memories, before you, all your dreams, around you, all who loves you, within you, all you need.
Christ before.
Stop it, bro, drama.
Behind us, Christ under our feet.
I'm a killer.
I used to go to church
the only
twice
thing in
a
this,
day. So these are like
I went every Wednesday. It was,
every Wednesday, Thursday. You know.
the only thing 2025 about it is this guy that has like a 2025 thing. But then this is the quote that I was reading. It's kind of in like font like that. But then there is this cute little graduation charm thing. So honestly, I might keep one of the graduation charms for Reckless because she's graduating with her master's in business next week
MBA.
as we're filming. So I might just keep
Sweet.
that one. Okay, let's look at all these little thingies.
Little buddies, little buddies.
Little buddies, little buddies, little buddies. Oh! What?
Arrgh. I don't know what this is, but
Oh, they're for iron-on Letterman jacket stuff.
are for. I can't tell you.
Are you ready? I'm curious about what's in this heavy guy that I maybe broke. Oh, they're like...
Those look familiar. Like belt buckles or something.
Let's ask Dad if he wants them.
Oh, Nora!
What? Are they silver?
They're Mickey Mouse earrings, silver.
Oh my
Give them
god.
to Jamie.
Jamie
Jamie loves Mickey Mouse so much that it's on her body.
They're sparkly Mickey Mouse silver earrings. Huh.
Yay!
These are the things, and then these are like the Mickey Mouse earrings. That, as much as I like
Drive
silver.
safe, I love you is what it says.
Aw, well that is in calligraphy. Would
That's
you want one for your car?
Where would you put one?
On the back so that whoever's tailing your ass
Oh,
drives
I-
nicer because they're like, oh, they want me to drive safe and they love me. Maybe I won't ride up against their ass and be a dick.
Yeah, I'm not a big bumper sticker guy.
Okay, I drive safe. Okay. Oh, rear view mirror.
Oh, it's like bloop.
It's like a little
or
reminder.
bloop and bloop. But it would mean more if it came from someone, so that when you saw it,
You never
you're
saw
like,
this.
Oh, blah
John,
loves me.
You never saw this, John. Anyway, this looks like one of the, and on the back it says, "You are my love." So this one's a Nana. It looks like one of those things that you'd go for, like one of those like jewelry bracelet things that have a thing. So it says Nana, and then it says, "You are loved" on the back. I don't think we have anything like that, but no, that should be a donation. Mouth gum serum, oral repair drops, safe and strong care. Directions. It can be used in 4 ways. Apply 4 drops to your fingertips, rub it on your gums. Apply 2 drops to your toothbrush with powder or paste. Add 2 to 4 drops to a small amount of water and swish it and gargle. Or you could apply 1 drop. What is it for?
Or you could brush your teeth.
Gentle care, refreshing experience. This incredible gum serum is vegan, organic, gluten-free, and it is loved by both kids and adults. Using this gum serum when you brush twice daily will give your mouth a fresh, clean feeling that will be with you all day. Let's put that in the to ask. Okay, then we have these 2 things. This one looks like it's a little plate that said farmhouse kind of hood.
Oh my god.
I know the sticker's driving it, but kind of farmhouse kind of hood is crazy. That's kind of amazing. Get the bag. Do you think that you're kind of farmhouse kind of hood?
What's hood about me?
Well, you're a real bitch.
I don't. Is hood?
You're not afraid to be improper.
Word to use, even.
Oh, that's true.
why I was like.
Oh, that's true.
Because like, what? It's rude.
Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't feel good. No.
There's definitely nothing farmhouse about me.
Let's do it.
Well, about my house.
Other than your country music.
I like to pretend sometimes.
Are these knee cushions?
Oh yeah, it's
Dude.
a knee.
So the inside has like this cushion, and then it looks like the outside has this sticky material that would help keep it there. But I wonder if these are for like an injury or for like you said, like volleyball.
Or there's this jelly thing in here. Do you put
It's a
this
knee
in
brace.
the fridge or freezer and it cools?
It's a
It's just
jelly.
a brace. Okay.
I think it's just
Nothing fancy. We're overcomplicating it.
we gotta keep these.
Dad has knee problems.
Dad has knee problems. But also, if I'm going to see the girls soon, I know Haley just had knee surgery. I know she's not on the just knee thing yet, but I don't know if this will even help her with that. But this will be we gotta keep these, and they're not for us, but they will be for someone that we know. You make me want to be a better person.
School
Thank
decor.
you for everything. Inspirational adventure quote print art. Nature mountain forest motivational saying canvas wall. Let me guess, adventure awaits. Oh, okay. Show the camera. There's an adventure awaits.
Never stop exploring to the mountains. Be wild and free.
Be wild and free, guys. Live, laugh, lobotomy.
Be brave, little one. Oh, that would be cute. Like
That's a cute kid one.
Kid's room.
Yeah.
Hi, Cakey. Hey, kid.
Oh, baby girl.
I love you, my auntie. This is like a math helper poster. Maybe Taylor could use it for her classroom. I don't know. I forget what grade she is. I don't know if they're doing division yet. Oh yeah, it's a division poster.
It's a basketball game tomorrow. Okay,
Maybe
we have
or
teachers.
Taylor's teacher friends.
Yep, these will both go into. Hey, we know a guy who might want it. Okay, and then that's it. So
For that
we're
box.
probably gonna be opening the other one. I think we need maybe a potty break and stuff like that. Anyway, comment down below which ones you think that you'd want the most. What one like surprised you the most? Oh, my dog is gonna eat the cardboard.
Big box for
Are you gonna eat the card? Okay, thank you so much for coming. And stay tuned for part 2 because I'm really excited. These are really cool because even though if we got to keep a few of them, it's really cool because we actually found a lot that.
I got shoes.
Yeah, you guys shoot, and they're platforms, which makes me really happy. Yeah. Anyway, here's my dog eating the cardboard.
That's so cute.
This is what happens when you get a rescue dog. Is she can't help it. Anyway, bye guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Shout out, John. I just exposed him like that. I will save you, Auntie. I will save you from the corruption of this box.
So take your time. Take your
She
time.
likes the resistance. She likes pulling.
I know. Yeah. She actually pulls me. A
Oh
little
my
bit.
gosh, I have a mess to clean up.
Minnesota against the world. Sports trivia game.
There's 5. There's 4 of them.
Oh.
That's awesome.
So you guys get one, Danielle gets one, and I think that,
Oh yeah.
Well, we can open one and play it. And if it's a shit show, then why give it away? But
That's
if it's
true.
good, then we can give it up.
But Danielle was really
Wait,
excited.
I'm sorry. It says it's the ultimate, so it
Yes.
can't be bad.
Oh.
Ultimate
Yeah.
trivia challenge. The best sports fan in the world. I agree with
Well,
that.
it's purple. It's got to be good because Minnesota.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to show you the not Uggs, but these. Danielle got these.
Are they her size?
Yeah, she tried them on.
These are like moccasin Uggs.
Yeah, and she's been wanting something like that. So.
Hey, look at the elevation on those.
I know. I told her if they were
like
black, she'd have.
Abdul
I told her if
Jabbar.
they were black, she'd have to fight me for them. But
Holy shit! If they had these in the Titanic, people wouldn't have sank.
Oh, gee.
oh my god, these ones. There's 4 of them. They're gluten free. I don't know if they're vegan.
Oh, it's
There's-
that was a book.
I know. I did too. No, look.
Yeah, it has
Food.
cheese. It has cheese.
It has
So,
cheese and
but-
it came in a box. That seems like it's healthy.
Yeah.
Medium.
I know. Danielle said that's not for us.
Heat and eat.
Well, that's cool.
I'd be interested to try one though. I think Dad might too.
Yeah, well, it's the
Danielle,
heat
I
part
know
of it.
Danielle doesn't.
Danielle doesn't like heat. Oh yeah, that's true. John. Yeah, we have 4 of them.
Store, cool, dry, and hygiene place.
And hygiene.
I
Hey.
mean, I have to take a shower before I store it
Yeah.
to have good hygiene.
Dad, I was thinking maybe you would like this case, but I know that you're really. It is MagSafe, but
You mean just in case I need
just
one?
in case.
It's MagSafe. Mine doesn't have a kickstand. Mine has a kickstand.
I know. And
That's
some of the
it's a
Google.
decent. It's a bluish, right? Would
Yeah.
you like to look at it too?
My
Drew?
least favorite color.
Yeah,
I know, but Dad likes it, and it wouldn't be
Yeah.
for your
But
phone.
Mom hasn't bought a case
Keep
for her
it
phone yet.
around
She's
in
still got
case
my old
I
one.
still have the clear one.
Just in case.
These are the industrial things. Dad, you'd probably know if.
Basket flower.
Trying to put this case
Adjustable.
back together.
Don't worry about that. I got it later.
It says adjustable
No, apparently I'm
rod,
still looking.
basket flower.
These are clips. They're
Something like
spring-loaded clips. So you put a nylon strap through it,
like a
and you
ratchet
pull
strap.
it, but it's the pull ratchet strap. So these
Ratchet
are
strap.
replacement ratchet clips.
Would you like those? Would you have use for them?
Possibly.
Okay. And then
Audibly.
what about these things?
These things are picture hangers. This is a picture hanging kit.
Okay.
It's
Would
got
you have
cable
use
like
for
that
that?
giant mirror that
Yeah.
maybe broke.
Okay.
Yeah.
That you can't hang anymore, but
Baby
like if
didn't
we're
break
hanging
it,
your
my friend broke
posters,
It'll hide in our.
your I'm a
garage.
Star movie poster.
Oh my.
Yes,
Yeah, the one
yes,
way over there
yes.
that's still
you
in
can
the
use
wrap.
those to hang that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll
Okay.
keep these, and then
Yes.
this one, I think it's boat related.
Oh, it's a class. So this
Marine
sits
hardware.
on the boat, and this ties on like a rope or something. You put it in there, and you can clip it in.
Yeah.
We could put this.
Do you
in
know
there.
anyone who has a boat?
Lauren has a boat.
Oh,
So maybe we could
Don't
give them to
know
Lauren.
How many of these are in there?
there's a couple.
I
Some
think
bigger
2.
hooks though.
There's-
Yeah, maybe I'll give it to Lauren.
Okay, they're kind of knee pad stuff. I don't know if you have
they're
used them.
braces. Oh no, they're knee pads.
There
Danielle
are
didn't want these
sometimes
for
the
volleyball?
braces,
She was thinking about that they could be for volleyball, but also I was like, I know Dad does yard work and with the knees, and I don't know if that's something. Oh, gardening.
Hold
Oh,
on. Let me
we're
get out
trying
my
them on.
sexy leg.
Oh, not for free.
No,
Look away.
No
No
feet.
They're
feet. No.
inside out.
Oh, they're inside out. Look how
But
sexy
they're
those
definitely
look.
knee pads.
Yeah, I figure we know a lot of people with knee issues.
Well, look at that bump.
Is it good?
Fit right there.
Oh my, what is that?
I have it on both knees. It's called being old.
Oh my gosh. Mom, there is a lot of supplements. There's a vitamin K2. My phone's gonna die, but there's 4 of these, Dad.
Or what? Why do you give me the butt health stuff?
I'm an advocate.
This one.
Mushroom blend.
Yeah?
Soy free.
Saw palmetto, 10 herbs and vitamins. This looks like something for your mom. It's a dietary thing.
It's prostate.
That's prostate. I don't have a prostate.
It's vegan.
Dad, give them to
sugar-free.
your friends, Dad. We have 4 of them. We have 4 of them.
Prostate.
Not
Apple
even
cider
giving me
vinegar.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, yeah, that's what I kind of thought.
Wait, what did Justin
Immediately
Bieber say?
no.
Immediately no.
Immediately now.
Immediately no.
Do you know anyone who's getting a first communion? It says Danielle might want the rosary inside, but there's a little.
My precious.
Oh my god.
Maybe for
Insert person's name here.
yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
for.
This one, a lot of these Danielle knows people with children. Mom, this is a phone case that we didn't like it, but. And then Dad, these are tempered glass protectors. I don't know the
What
size.
kind of tempered glass? For like an iPad or?
That's the thing. It doesn't really say the size.
Doesn't really say. 9H hardness.
Oh, and then Mom,
Gotta
these
be
are
for, like,
table
an iPad.
runners.
These are cute.
We have 3 of them though. And then there was just some fun, like poster stuff that Danielle thinks would be good for some of her friends with kids' rooms and stuff.
And see how
Yeah,
big
yeah.
it
You
is.
can't see through the tie.
No, it's you can see how yeah,
See how long it is.
How big it is.
but there's 3 of these, so if
Ooh, she gives you an ooh and ah.
Ooh. Yeah, I want one.
I didn't I was like, these look like crock things. Look what they are.
They're pop bag things.
But I don't know really
That
what
is really cute.
this is everything that comes in that. So
2 daisies and 2
Did
clips.
Danielle take one for your pop bag?
for your big ones,
Yeah.
you can maybe put your keys on here. I don't know. But yeah.
I'd take one for mine. I just
Take
didn't.
one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then mom can have this one.
These are for you
Although I
guys.
don't think the O would be a
I love this.
Yeah, I don't know what the random.
You don't want one of these for your table?
No,
Not your style.
I have this
Okay.
lotion I put on.
Okay. Bye. Thank you, everybody. Here's the second box of the mystery. There's a lot of stuff in this stuff too. Okay. This is also a printer.
It's a printer. This is the printer. Fresh broom. Oh, that's a big broom. Oh wow.
Oh,
I can do that too.
Do you want the box? Oh, but that's gonna be an audio. Okay, can I give it to you after? Put you in your mouth. Ooh.
I want.
Why do you feel bad?
Because
Let's
I
process
just get
that.
free stuff for no reason. I didn't do anything to deserve it.
Okay, relatable, but also not a hypocrite. So, dude, what is in that though?
cute shirt of Peeps. Chilled with my Peeps. They're so cute.